Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Zoom recordings using cloud retention and download easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore Zoom recordings using cloud retention and download, start by logging into your Zoom account on the official website. Once logged in, navigate to the My Account section located at the top right corner of the screen. In the left sidebar, click on Recordings to access your recordings. Choose the Cloud Recordings tab to view all recordings stored in the cloud. Locate the recording you wish to restore. Check the retention settings to ensure that the recording is eligible for restoration. If you see a deleted status next to the recording, click on the trash option located at the top of the page. Once in the trash, find the deleted recording you want to recover. Select the recording and click on the Restore button. Confirm the restoration process when prompted. After restoration, navigate back to the Cloud Recordings tab to verify that your recording is now available. To download the restored recording, click on the title of the recording. Locate the Download button on the recording's details page. Click the Download button to save the recording to your device. Allow the file to fully download before attempting to open it. Check your device's Downloads folder to locate the downloaded recording. Now, your Zoom recording has been successfully restored and downloaded for your use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.